Got out of Amazon. Got a bunch of new stuff here. Here we have our push button switch. This illuminates amber. This is gonna turn my AM CD5 on and off. I gotta redo this. Probably have to buy another one of these pieces. So now we got, I like that. All right, so we're gonna do the before. Yeah, it looks like a haunted house. So let's swap these out. Okay, it's kind of crazy, but here is the after. Okay, look at that. This is the LED license plate lights. Holy Christmas. Yeah! The license plate lights are brighter than the tail lights. Shiesta. Well, I'll put the link in the description. eBay for the win. LED license set light Honda Civic also. God, I love eBay. Okay, I started with the pilot hole on the